Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where you will master cloud and FinOps. Please press the bell icon and subscribe to the YouTube channel for forthcoming updates and notifications. So today we are going to discuss about the thumb rule for architecture design. These rules are applicable for designing all type of applications, including web applications or custom applications, microservices. So one single thumb rule for any design is the individual should design it for the failure. What does it mean? Whenever you are designing any application, you have to always assume that things which you are designing will fail. You have to face the outage. Your hardware or software will also get fail at one point of time. Sometime disaster also will happen. You can also assume some unanticipated scenarios where you are going to receive more requests from the consumers of your applications. So how you are going to design your application which will be highly available, which will be scalable, which will be fault tolerant, which should be resilient. So there are different services from each of the hyperscalers or vendors. And if you will onboard those services in your design will be near to foolproof, not exactly foolproof, because no design will be always foolproof. So the two common principles to achieve the good design, or I would say well architected design, is you should design your architecture so that it will be easily recoverable from the failures, which we usually termed as a disaster recovery, right? So if any disaster will happen, your application should recover from that disaster. There are multiple services or features available from the each of the hyperscaler, which we will discuss in detail. But at this moment, for a brief overview, you just need to remember that your application should be designed to get recovered from the failure in a stipulated period of time easily and in an automated way. The second important part is you should decouple your components. We will discuss this in detail in this video itself, what exactly I mean to say when I am asking you to decouple your component. So it is moreover the dependencies between other components or across the components. So when we are saying that you should decouple the components, that means one component should not have any dependency on other. So for example, if one component of your entire application is getting failed because of any reason, maybe because of outage or maybe because of the performance issue, other components should not have the impact of that failure or of that performance issue. So whenever we decouple the components or we will have a loose coupling to the various layer of your application architecture will interact as a black box with each other. So they don't know each other. They just perform their desired job. So usually this type of architecture, we can easily achieve it via microservices. So as I said in the previous screen that how to implement the automated recovery, I will create a detailed video on the different services, which is inclusive of auto scaling or ASR in Azure or disaster recovery across each of the hyperscaler. Via that or via leveraging these services, we can achieve this particular objective. So that is all I wanted to tell you in brief. I thought to keep the video short so that you will remember and the discussions what we had via this video. I would ask you to stay tuned with me for the upcoming video where we will discuss these concepts in detail. So that's all for today. I would request you to like the video and comment your views in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.